Good evening to all of you. Now we are going to start our topic, which is Java variable and data types. First of all, we have to classify the types of the variables, that is known as data types. For your better visibility, I am opening MS Word. Here we are doing one smart art. Using the smart art, we can easily show how to take the variables. Okay, each and everyone should see this variables, Java variables, like, so we are taking it as Java variables. What are the variables we have in Java? So first variable we have, that is integer type of variables or number type of variables. So number can be classified into two parts. One is our integer, another is our float, another is our double. See, and next we are taking another type of variable, that is called our character type of variable. Character type of variable, that can be char or that can be string, and the next one is our another type of variable, which is called Boolean type of variable. So Boolean are not used nowadays. We will consider the numerical variables and the character variables. In numerical variables we have integer, float and double, and in character variable we have char and string. Those are the theory portion of the variables. Now I am coming back to the code. We are taking BlueJ over here to demonstrate all the variables. So now I am opening BlueJ. Okay, now how to run the code in BlueJ? To run the code in BlueJ, we have to take the class file. We are going to new class, and then we are taking variables. Variables is my class file, and now we are taking class variables. Now we are importing scanner class. Import java dot util dot scanner class variables. Now we are taking public static void main string args. Now we have to take all the variables here. So first of all, we will take integer type of variable. So to take integer type of variable, we are initializing int roll, then we are taking double type of variable, double salary, then character type of variable, character name, three variables already we have taken. So we can denote it as string name. Now we are taking system dot out dot println, enter id, then id equals to, first of all we have to take the scanner class object, scanner SC equals to new scanner, so we are creating the scanner class object, scanner SC equals to new scanner, then system dot in, then system dot in, so system dot out dot println, enter id. So id should be the number, right? So that's why I have declared id as an integer. So how to write down id equals to sc dot next int. What is the meaning of next int? It will take the integer numbers, right, and store that integer number in the id portion. Why the I is capital here? Because Java always use camel casing rule. What is that rule? Camel casing. I am telling it again, this is called camel casing rule. कैमल केसिंग रूल क्या होता है? ये जो नेक्स्ट का बाद आई इंट, ये आई कैपिटल्स में होता है, ये आई कैपिटल में होता है. तुम अगर इसको स्मॉल पे लिखोगे तो ये रन नहीं करेगा, ठीक है. दिस इज द रूल ऑफ कैमल केसिंग. सो जावा इज अ केस सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज. सो एनीथिंग which is capital you have to write down capital, and anything which is small you have to write down small. This having the certain rules and regulations. So always we have to write string as a capital, scanner S as a capital, system S as a capital. It having the fixed rule, we can't change it because Java always use some rules. What are that rules? That rules is known as camel casing rules, right? So that is why the next T is small and I is in caps, right? Next what we have to write down? Enter salary, right? So enter salary. So it will be next double, right? Because it will be in point decimal, so it will be in next double, right? And your salary, in salary it will be in salary variable, so the variable would be salary, right? And the name should be in our double variable, right? In our string variable. So enter name, so it will be in name, so name will be next. You can write next or next line, as Naman says. Next line means it will take first name and surname. If we take only next, it will take only first name. Okay, next mane it will take up to space, and next line means after space it will also take. Okay, so first name and surname, that's why I have written next line, right? Now we have to print it, all the values. System dot out dot println details are as follows. Now what we have to write down? System dot out dot println name plus name, system dot out dot println salary plus salary, system dot out dot println name, salary and ID, right? So ID, it will be plus ID. So now we have to close the first bracket for the main, second bracket for the class. Now we have to compile it. So variables, so found in class, error found in class. What is the error? Class data type. Data types. Data types. What is the error? What is the error? Okay. There are few brackets. Now it is okay. No syntax error. Now we have to run it. Void main. So enter ID. I want to take the ID as 1. Enter salary 21,000.5. So where is the name? I don't have print the name. Why it is hanging? Enter name sc dot next line, name plus name, salary plus salary, ID plus ID. ID sc dot next int, salary sc dot next double, name sc dot next line. Enter ID as 1, salary, enter name, yes, name Sayan, salary 45,000, ID 1. Okay, so that is the data types and variable what we have used in these programs. So how to take several type of data types? One is non-decimal number like integer 1, 2, 3, decimal number like double 20.50, or character number like string number, string name like Ram, Sam, Jodu, Modhu. All type of variables we have taken in this code. Okay, this is the main part, how to take the variables in Java. Clear? So thank you. Thanks for watching the video.